So we're going to talk about how easy it is living with an electric car.
And I think it's very easy, especially for us, because we just do the school run, occasional weekend trip, shopping.
The point is that having an EV isn't really that different, is it, to having a normal car? You just do the plugging in bit. I have a charge timer set, so it's just going to charge during the hours at night when the electricity is at its cheapest. One of the best things about having an EV is if you're plugged in and charging overnight, you can have it set to preheat your car in the morning. So when you come out to the car, it's nice and warm and it's defrosted. So in the winter months, that makes the school run that much easier. So we don't do massive journeys very much, but we drove over recently to see my family, and that's a 160-mile journey each way. We didn't have to charge to get there, did we?
No.
But I think we stopped at the motorway services and we just plugged in anyway, just because we were there. We're going to get a bite to eat and then top up the charge as well if there's a free one.
Ah, yes. When we had lunch.
Charged that for a little bit and then went. And then we were in Dorset. We went to Christchurch, where we used to live, which was beautiful. Saw friends and family. And then on the way back, we stopped at a pub and we ate while we charged, which is the best way of doing it. CCS. Stopped. Cool, now it's charging. Now these chargers are 50 kilowatts. Yeah, there we go. Pretty much getting full speed then. And you see it's 54 minutes to get to 80%, 1 hour 31 to 100%. So we're probably going to be here for 1 hour 31, so that's absolutely fine for us. And there's my brother. So charging while you're eating is definitely the best way of doing it because it's just so easy. And then you come back to a fully charged car. They're making fun of me for coming to move the car, but I don't want to be occupying a parking space if someone else might need it. There we go, charged to 100%. So at the moment it's saying I've got 247 miles. I also drove to fully charged recently. That's a 200-mile round trip. And I didn't have to charge at all.
This video is getting more interesting
I know,
as
right?
it goes.
But that's the point, it is boring though, isn't it? What else can we say about it? How easy is it? Living with an electric car is easy.
Yeah, it's very easy. I don't know why you bother doing a video about it. It's just a car.